Hey, thanks so much for stopping by. Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make a tasty Corn Flake Crusted Sole. We're first going to start off with 4 fillets of fresh sole from the Heinen seafood department, and any fish from the flatfish family will do, including halibut, turbot, or flounder. We want to season it well on both sides with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Then taking one fillet at a time, we want to bread it up, starting with flour. Got a small bowl of all-purpose flour that we want to dredge it in on both sides. Make sure it is completely coated. Shake off any extra, and then we're adding it to a bowl of 3 whisked Heinen's fresh eggs. Coat it in that, and then we're going to add it to a bowl of Heinen's corn flakes. I crush them up in a food processor. You can absolutely just add them to a plastic bag and crush them with a mallet. But what we do want to do is take the time to coat this fish completely on both sides so that it cooks evenly and that every little square centimeter is crusted. Next, we're going to add it to a large frying pan of any neutral flavored oil and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until they are golden brown. And if your pan is not big enough and you need to do this in batches, no problem at all. So after you flip them and waited another 3 to 4 minutes, what we're going to do is just set the fish to the side on paper towels to drain off any excess oil. Then we're going to drain this oil and clean off the pan a little bit. Next, we're going to add in the juice of 1 lemon, getting steamy in here. Then we're going to add in 1 stick of unsalted butter. We're just going to stir this until the butter is completely melted and emulsified with the lemon juice. Then I'm going to add in a few tablespoons of chopped fresh chives, and this will be our sauce. I'm going to serve the cornflake crusted sole up on a bed of fresh arugula, or any greens will work here. And then we are going to simply spoon on our tasty chive lemon butter sauce over the top. And you can garnish with some more lemon wedges and even some more chopped chives. And I'm telling you what, the flavor in this cornflake crusted sole is absolutely fantastic.